This demo is initiated by a push a button on the AWS IoT button. The AWS IoT button is a programming button. You can code the button's logic to configure button clicks to track items, call, alert, or task someone, start or stop an Appian process. In this demo, it is programmed to simulate sending a patient's medical testing results to his doctor. It is programmed to send bad testing results by single click, sending good testing results by double click. It is using Amazon Lambda function to invoke an Appian web API. And the Appian business rule going to look at the testing results and decide whether to engage doctor for test review. So the first thing I'm going to do is single click the Amazon AWS IoT button. So the button get clicked, and in a couple seconds, I will see a Appian process kick off a task for the doctor. So doctor receive a task. Doctor going to accept task. So the clicker button is sending the testing results, including the following testing measurements, including the weight, the height, the patient's name, in this case is John Doe, and the temperature, pulse rate, blood pressure. And those measurements going to using a decision table, the rule engine going to use a decision table, and look at the threshold, which is defined here, so the admin can come in to modify it if they need to. So if any of the threshold have been crossed, it's going to be diagnosed as it's either fever, arrhythmia, hypertension, or obesity. Any of those conditions being met is going to log in a task to a doctor. Otherwise, will be by sending the test results to the patient's emails directly and says your results is following, your results is looking good, nothing to worry, and see you next year. So for this case, the doctor get a task. The doctor going to leave a note. Will say results not so good. Need to go over John's treatment plan as ASAP. In the meantime, the doctor can looking at his Google Calendar and pull down what's the event already scheduled for that particular day. So we see the doctor has 2 appointments for that day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. And based on that, doctor can schedule a new appointment for John. So in this case, we will say 1 in the morning, and also adding the second one for the afternoon. And click the submit button. Now what's going to happen is patient John is going to receive a notification by SMS by Twilio. In the background says, Dear John Doe, doctor has want to schedule an appointment with you on that particular day. Reply 1 for appointment in the morning and reply 2 for the appointment in the afternoon. So for this case, we can say we want a afternoon one. So let's just type in 2 for the afternoon one and send it back. So the Twilio is going to respond. Twilio is going to calling a Twilio respond messaging function and send calling the Appian instance. There's an email listener, process listener sitting in the background and going to checking the incoming email in a couple seconds. It's going to take a while. Okay. Let's accept it. And we see for the 3 p.m. one, has been created for a doctor on his Google Calendar. And we can click it. It's going to bring you to the doctor's Google Calendar. So that's completed the demo.